Welcome. In front of me is a NOKIA T20, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you'll want to pull down your notification panel and locate the Do Not Disturb mode, which for me it's right over here. Now, if you expand it, you can also see the name of it. So once you find it, before you actually tap on it, I recommend you holding the toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can actually customize how it will function. So as you can see, we have options for interruptions from people, apps, alarms. Then we can set up a schedule, and under advanced we have duration for quick settings, which is just how the toggle will behave, and display options for just hidden notifications. Once you went through all the options right here and set them up, you can close this. And when it comes down to enabling this Do Not Disturb mode, there is two ways. If you want with a schedule route, just make sure that the schedule is toggled on from here, like so. And if you want to go the manual route, all you need to do is find the toggle, tap on it, and as you can see, it is now enabled based on the fact that it's glowing blue, and you can also see it right up here. And once you're done with it, you can turn it off by tapping on it again. So that is how you would enable it and set it up. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.